Hi, we are in our third lesson, and in this lesson we'll find out what system requirements do we need to install CentOS 8. So minimum system requirements for CentOS 8, 2 GB RAM or higher, 2 GHz or higher processor, 20 GB hard disk or higher, 64-bit architecture, and system virtual platforms, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, VMware Workstation or VirtualBox virtual platforms. And finally, you can download CentOS 8 ISO file from the link below. It was given on this slide. So this is our short lesson. We are end of our lesson. See you the next lesson. Bye.